Anorexia nervosa. Introduction. A person with anorexia may use food to try to control overwhelming feelings. Select true or false. Correct. A person with anorexia may also obsess about their body shape or weight. They may base their self-worth on how thin they are. Anorexia can lead to serious complications, including death. Select true or false. Correct. If a person with anorexia becomes severely malnourished, every organ in the body can be harmed. Anorexia is caused by a combination of factors. Select true or false. Correct. Chemicals in the brain, genes, cultural pressure, and stress may play a role in the development of an eating disorder. Which of the following can be used to treat anorexia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Monitoring your behavior. 2. Talk therapy. 3. Nutritional counseling. 4. All of the above. Correct. Medications can also be used to treat anorexia. Anorexia is often treated with a combination of these methods. Thank you for using Explain.